Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Brandon Williams, and I'm here today to talk to you about the bed scrunchie. So I was looking for a device primarily to help keep my sheets on a little bit better because I'm a bit of a wild sleeper, and when I do sleep, I wake up in the morning literally wrapped up like a taco in my own sheets, and it's like nerve-wracking, right? So I did a little research, found the bed scrunchie. It was on Amazon, but if you go to bedscrunchie.com, they have like a discount code that you can use to purchase it, which was awesome. So I just went to go put this thing on my bed, actually. And if you're a person like me, I don't do well with like reading the step-by-step instructions, and it's always easier if they have like a video showing how to do it. So like I got on my phone, went to YouTube, and I typed in bed scrunchie, and like boom, a video came right up on how to put the thing on. So that was awesome. It's only like a minute video, and it shows you how to do it super easy. And it was just like, cause I was thinking, I'm like, I was reading the box like when I was back in my room, and I was like, man, this thing does and has so many more uses than other than just a sheet. Like it says perfect for sofas, RVs, and boats. So I'm like, even if you want to like use it as a cover, or say if I don't want to use it for my bed, or I decide to get another one, I can just put this over my couch and have a couch cover and use it for my boat, because I live in Georgia, so we do a lot of fishing around here. So I want to thank you guys for watching my product review. I was excited when I used it, and I'm telling you, my sleep has been A1 since then. I'm out.